Hey there, little learners. Welcome to our Fruity Friends Fiesta, where fruits come alive to share their stories and why you should be BFFs with them. I'm your fruity guide, and today we've got a bunch of characters ready to spill the beans about themselves.
Hey, cool kids. I'm Apple, your crunchy friend. Did you know I'm not just tasty, but I'm a superhero for your health? I keep doctors away and give you a boost of energy. Plus, I come in red, green, and yellow outfits. Talk about a fruity fashionista.
Hello, everyone. I'm Banana, the comedian of the fruit basket. Want a joke? Why did the banana go to the party? Because it was appealing. But seriously, I'm loaded with potassium, which is fantastic for your muscles. So, peel the laughter and grab a banana.
Hi, little explorers. I'm Blueberry, the tiny burst of joy. Guess what? I'm a powerful antioxidant, which means I help your body fight off bad guys. Pop me like candy, and let's create a berry blast in your tummy.
Hey, pals. I'm Carrot, and this is my zesty friend Orange. We're the dynamic duo. Carrot here helps you see in the dark with my super vitamin A powers, and Orange is your vitamin C sidekick, keeping you strong and healthy. Teamwork makes the crunch time dream work.
Psst! Greetings, tiny detectives. I'm Grapes, and I've got some grapevine gossip for you. I'm not just sweet, I'm packed with antioxidants that keep your heart happy. So next time you have a snack attack, roll with the grapes.
Well, wasn't that a fruitylicious adventure? Remember, each of our fruity friends brings something special to the table, and munching on a rainbow of fruits is the key to a healthy and happy life. Until next time, stay fruity and fabulous.